It's the Marshall Show. Hello everybody, it's Marshall, back with another video. Welcome to the second video in my Christmas series for 2020. In this video, we're going to be making Christmas colored M&M's chocolate chip cookies using Rosanna Pansino's recipe from her cookbook, Nerdy Nummies. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. For this recipe, you will need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of salted butter, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and about 12 ounces of M&Ms. If you don't have that many M&Ms, you can also use chocolate chips to fill out the rest. Before we even start baking, we're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Pour your flour, salt, and baking soda into a medium bowl and then whisk it until it's completely mixed. Add your butter, your sugar, your brown sugar, and your vanilla into your mixing bowl, and then mix it until it is completely combined. Be sure to scrape down the sides when necessary. One at a time, add your eggs into the mixing bowl. Make sure to beat well after each one, and mix it until it is completely combined before adding the next egg. While your mixer is running, add your flour mixture into the bowl. Keep the mixer running until it is completely combined. Be sure to scrape down the sides when necessary. Now add your chocolate chips or M&Ms into the bowl and continue folding over the dough until they are evenly spread throughout. You can also just add them later when you place the dough on the baking pans. Now place balls of dough 1 to 2 inches in diameter on your baking mats. This would be where you would add your M&Ms or chocolate chips if you didn't choose to add them earlier. Now put your cookies in the oven for between 7 to 10 minutes. Mine took closer to 10 minutes, but that could vary based on your oven. The color of your cookies should look something similar to these. Once you take them out of the oven, let them sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then put each of them on a wire rack to fully cool. And here's my final product. I honestly think that they look amazing, and the holiday colored M&Ms just make them that much more festive and awesome. They also tasted amazing as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like down below and comment below what you want me to do next, as well as subscribe for more amazing content like this. I'll be back next week with another Christmas video. Until then, don't forget to stay safe, enjoy life, and have a great day. And I will see you all next time. Happy holidays.